Establishing a few sound financial habits might help you gain control of your finances. According to Thomas C. Corley's book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, habits are the root cause of wealth, poverty, happiness, sadness, stress, good relationships, bad relationships, and good health. Corley's research on hundreds of self-made millionaires culminated in his book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 profitable habits proven to generate long-term income. But before starting the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Number 10. Come up with specific money goals. Self-made millionaire T. Harv Eker writes in his book, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, that the number one reason most people don't get what they want is that they don't know what they want, which is the reason most people don't get what they want in the first place. Wealthy people are crystal clear in their desire for riches. If you want to achieve that level of clarity, he recommends that you write down your annual income and net worth targets. Be realistic while making goals, but don't be afraid to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. After all, the wealthiest people aren't scared to dream big and achieve great things. Number 9. Automate your finances. David Bach, a self-made millionaire, advises that you should make changes immediately if your financial strategy is not on autopilot. When you automate your finances, such as automatically sending your money to investment accounts, savings accounts, and creditors, you may accumulate wealth more quickly and easily. As Bach explains in The Automatic Millionaire, it is the one step that nearly guarantees that you will not fail in your financial endeavors. There will be no more missed payments, you will have no more temptation to scrimp on savings because you will not even notice the money sent directly from your paycheck to your savings accounts. Simply link your accounts so that money from your paycheck is automatically sent to your 401k, or cash from your checking account is automatically transferred to your savings account. Schedule transfers for the specific day you want them to occur. In addition to ensuring that you never miss a payment again, automation allows you to free up important time and focus on the good elements of life rather than spending time worrying about whether or not you paid that bill or if you're going to overdraft again, according to Bach. Number 8. Ditch the small daily purchases, such as your morning coffee. The term the cappuccino factor was coined by Bach, who proposed that ditching your $5 daily latte may help you save a lot of money. You can put this money to work in the same way that you can put your spare change to work. A $5 daily coffee costs $35 a week or $150 per month. If you put $150 a month into an investment account and get a 10% yearly return, you'll have just shy of $1 million in 40 years, Bach says. We all throw away too much of our hard-earned money on unnecessary, little expenditures without realizing how much they can add up to, says the financial advisor. Start by determining your latte factor. Cut back on that expense and direct the money towards an investment account. Number 7. Prioritize high-interest debt. It's critical to realize that not all debt is created equal. Putting all of your debt in order of interest rate, from highest to lowest, is a good technique. Then, pay the minimum on all of your bills while prioritizing the debt with the most significant interest rate to spend less throughout the life of your loans. There's also the option of ranking your debts by size and starting with the least. A personal finance expert, Dave Ramsey, refers to this practice as the snowball method. The concept is that when you pay off one type of debt, you get momentum, which aids you in tackling the next most significant bill, and so on. The most important thing is to get out of debt as soon as possible. After all, it's challenging to begin generating money while you're in debt. Number 6. Save. Don't spend unexpected cash. Pretend that you don't have any extra money, such as a bonus, a birthday check, or another windfall. Make it a habit to put any unexpected income to work, even if it's just the $20 bill that you find in your coat pocket. It can be used to pay off college loans, debt, an emergency fund, or a savings account. It'll all add up in the end. Furthermore, Starting this habit will help you prevent lifestyle inflation if you receive additional, unexpected cash in the form of a raise. Number 5, tell yourself that you deserve to be rich. According to self-made millionaire Warren Buffett, success, fulfillment, and happiness are considered the natural order of existence by the wealthiest individuals. In his book, How Rich People Think, Steve Seibold explains how wealthy people think. It is this one notion that motivates the great ones to act in ways that nearly ensure their own success. On the other hand, the typical earner remains average because they expect to be moderate. As explained by the self-made millionaire, the majority of people believe they are not deserving of an enormous fortune. They question themselves. Who am I to become a millionaire, they reason. Try asking yourself, why not me, as a starting point? After all, that's what millionaires and billionaires do all of the time. Number 4, spend 30 minutes a day reading. Wealthy folks have a propensity to read. Many continue to teach and invest in themselves even after their formal schooling is over. Walking into a rich person's home, one of the first things you'll notice is an extensive library of books that they've used to educate themselves on becoming more successful, Seibold writes. The fact that it works for millionaires and billionaires suggests that it might work for you. Check out CNBC's roundup of some of the most outstanding personal finance books available, or look at Bill Gates' list of the top books that he read. Number 3, set your alarm clock earlier. In addition to reading, wealthy people have a tendency to rise early in the morning. Rich people like self-made billionaires Richard Branson and Jack Dorsey aren't the only ones who get up early in the morning. Many other successful people do as well. 5-year research by author Thomas C. Corley on hundreds of self-made millionaires revealed that over half of them woke up at least 3 hours before their actual workday. We cannot guarantee that joining this early bird club will result in a financial gain. Still, we can assure you that it will most likely increase your productivity. Number 2, surround yourself with successful high earners. It is more important than you may realize who you associate with. As Seibold points out, your net worth tends to mirror that of your closest friends, which is a good thing. Successful people usually agree that consciousness is contagious. Exposure to more successful individuals can broaden one's perspective while simultaneously increasing one's wealth, writes the self-made billionaire. We become like the people we connect with, which is why winners are attracted to other winners, says the author. Are you looking for a new group of people to hang out with? As Ecker proposes in The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, you might want to consider joining a game of high-end tennis, golf, or a health or business club. If you can't afford to join a high-end club, have a cup of coffee or tea in the most upscale hotel in your city, he suggests. Make yourself comfortable in this environment and observe the customers, observing that they are no different from you. Number 1, track your spending. If you spend more money than you bring in, you will not be able to accumulate wealth. Keep track of your everyday expenses to ensure that you earn more than you are spending. The apps Mint, Personal Capital, and Level Money are among those that will perform this function for you automatically. A spreadsheet on your computer or simply keeping track of your daily purchases in a notepad or on your phone are all options. Perhaps you'll come upon another latte factor that you can reduce your consumption. Well, that's it for our list. What did you think of the video? Go ahead and let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to hear from us again, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel before you leave. As always, thanks for watching.